Hey everyone, welcome to Sprinkles and Scribbles. Today we're going to be making some brown sugar vanilla spice cupcakes. These cupcakes are so warm and cozy, perfect for this time of year, and then we're going to top them with some tangy cinnamon cream cheese frosting. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. To start off, we're going to add some brown sugar as well as some butter to a large bowl. All the measurements are in the description box below. And then using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, you can just beat the butter and the brown sugar together. Once they're all combined, you can add the egg. And then continue mixing the batter until the egg has combined into it. And then we're going to add in some canola oil as well as the vanilla extract. The canola oil really makes these cupcakes super moist. And then continue mixing the batter until it's light and fluffy at this point. Next, we're going to sift in all our dry ingredients. To the bowl, add your flour, as well as the baking soda, baking powder, salt, and then finally, the nutmeg and the cinnamon that make these vanilla spice cupcakes. And then once you've sifted in your dry ingredients, mix them into the batter just until they're combined. Try not to overmix at this point. And finally, we're going to add in some water. At this point, you just want to mix in your batter until all the ingredients have combined, and your batter should be light and fluffy here. Next, we're going to add some cupcake liners to a cupcake tin. Fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 of the weight. Don't overfill them. This recipe makes about 6 to 8 cupcakes, but you can easily double it for more cupcakes. And then you'll want to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. While we wait for our cupcakes to cool, we can make the cinnamon cream cheese frosting. You'll need some room temperature cream cheese as well as butter and some icing sugar. Add the butter and the cream cheese to a large bowl and beat them with a stand mixer or a hand mixer until it's light and fluffy. Be patient, this could take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes depending on your mixer and the temperature of your ingredients. Once your butter and cream cheese are light and fluffy, we can add in some icing sugar in batches. I like to add about 1/3 of a cup at a time and combine it until it's fully incorporated in the mixture. Repeat this until you've finished all your icing sugar. If your icing is runny at this point, you can add a little bit more icing sugar, and if it's too dry or stiff, you can add some cream to make it thinner. And then to finish off the frosting, I added a splash of vanilla extract just for some additional vanilla flavor. Once you're happy with your frosting, give it one final mix with a silicone spatula to remove any air bubbles, and then transfer it to a piping bag with your favorite piping tip. I use the Wilton 2D tip for this. Hold your piping bag upright and slowly pipe the frosting in a swirl. And then repeat until you've frosted all of your cupcakes. and you can top them with your favorite sprinkles if you like. Since I made these over the holidays, I added some red and green sprinkles to this. And then finally, it's time to enjoy your hard work. These cupcakes are so moist and warm and cozy and so perfect for this time of year. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment below and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. See you next time.